In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online. This quick and easy process will have you set up and ready to go in no time, perfect for streamlining your bookkeeping and ensuring your financial records are up to date. To begin, head over to the QuickBooks Online website and click on the Sign In button. Make sure you're signing into the correct platform by selecting QuickBooks Online from the options available. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to verify you're logging into the right service to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you've clicked on QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your login credentials. This will typically be your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. After typing these in, go ahead and hit Continue. At this point, if you've enabled two-factor authentication for security purposes, you'll likely need to either enter a code sent to your phone or email or approve the login on your mobile app. Once successfully logged in, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. You can usually access this through the default dashboard or by following a menu option that directs you towards your banking features. This section is where we will manage all bank-related activities, so you'll want to bookmark it or make it a favorite for easier future navigation. Within the bank transactions area, locate the link account button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this option to start the process of linking your financial institution to QuickBooks Online. It's important to note that it's beneficial to have your bank or credit card statements handy, as you'll need details such as your account number and potentially additional identifying information. After clicking Link Account, you'll be prompted to select your bank or credit card provider from a list. This is where having your financial details available comes in handy. If your bank isn't listed, QuickBooks Online usually offers a search function, so make sure to use that to find the correct institution. Once you've selected your bank or card provider, you'll need to input your account details. This may include your credit card number, bank account number, or others, dependent on what type of account you're integrating. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure accuracy, as any error here could cause delays or inaccuracies in syncing transactions. Finally, proceed with logging into your bank's portal if prompted. At this point, QuickBooks Online will work its magic to connect, syncing your transaction history with your account. This allows for seamless updates moving forward, keeping all your transactions right at your fingertips in QuickBooks. And there you have it, you've successfully connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online. This integration will simplify your accounting workflow, making it easier to track expenses, manage cash flow, and ultimately save time. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.